How many push-ups do you really need to build muscle? 10, 100, 200, billion, 30,000, or maybe none of those? Most people either do too few and make no progress, or overdo it, chasing numbers that don't work. But here's the reality. You don't need to do hundreds daily to get stronger. You just need the right number, performed properly. In this breakdown, you'll learn how push-ups help build muscle, how many you should be doing daily based on your current level, and why proper form and recovery matter more than just your rep count. Let's remove the guesswork and help you build real results. Each push-up isn't just a number, it's a signal. When you push your body off the ground, your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core are all working. This causes tiny tears in the muscle fibers, which is a good thing. Your body repairs these tears through muscle hypertrophy, making them stronger and larger over time. So if you're consistent, push-ups won't just burn calories, they'll build actual muscle. But it only works if you do the right number. So, how many should you be doing? First, find your max. How many perfect push-ups can you do in a row? Then use this guide. If your max is fewer than 25 reps, aim for 50 to 75 push-ups daily, broken into 2 to 3 sets. If you can do 25 to 50 reps, target 75 to 150 push-ups daily, done in 3 to 4 sets. If you're over 50 reps, aim for 150 to 250 push-ups each day, spread across 4 or more sets. But don't stop there. You need to progress. Each week, increase your total reps by 5 to 10, or reduce your rest time. That's called progressive overload, and it's how you continue to grow. Now let's talk form. Doing 100 sloppy push-ups, that won't help, but 10 perfect ones, that builds muscle. Here's a simple 3-step checklist to get your form right. Keep your core engaged. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Place your hands just outside your shoulders and keep elbows at a 45 angle. Good form not only avoids injury, speeds up your results. Once you've mastered basic push-ups, it's time to level up. Try these 3 advanced variations. Decline push-ups to hit your upper chest and shoulders. Diamond push-ups to focus on triceps. Plyometric push-ups to build explosive strength and activate fast twitch muscle fibers. That's how you break plateaus and keep progressing. Doing more push-ups doesn't always mean better results. In fact, overtraining can stall your gains. Muscle grows when you rest, not just when you train. After tough workouts, give your body 48 to 72 hours to recover. Alternate between heavy and light days or stick 3 to 4 focused sessions each week. And on rest days, stay active with light movement like walking, stretching, and mobility work. Smart recovery is what makes your training stick. So, how many push-ups do you actually need to build muscle? Just enough to push your body done with good form, progressed steadily over time, and balanced with recovery. Don't just chase high rep counts. Chase better reps, smarter routines, and steady improvement. Thanks for watching.